Welcome to the top best. The best track toys is probably one of the most exciting and engaging categories of products for anyone looking to bring the thrill of racing and high-performance driving into their own hands, offering a unique blend of engineering, speed, and pure fun that appeals to enthusiasts of all ages. These meticulously crafted models and simulators provide an unparalleled opportunity to experience the adrenaline rush of the track, whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or just beginning your journey into the world of performance vehicles, making them a fantastic addition to any collection or entertainment setup. Number 5. Wooden Racetrack Car Ramp Racer for Toddlers. Prioritize your child's safety with our wooden racetrack. Made from high-quality, non-toxic materials and rigorously tested to meet the highest safety standards, it ensures worry-free playtime. The cars are designed with safety in mind, so you can have peace of mind. Watch as they race down the vibrant ramps, enhancing their visual tracking skills. This toy also encourages a sense of organization as they collect the cars in a top parking lot, helping to prevent them from getting lost. This compact and sturdy toy is the ideal festival or birthday gift for your 1 or 2-year-old boy or girl. It comes in a sturdy color box, ready for gifting, and requires minimal assembly. Encourage the development of essential skills like hand-eye coordination and attention span through engaging play. It also fosters cooperation and communication as they learn to share and take turns. Specifically designed for toddlers aged 1 to 2, the ramp width ensures only one car races at a time, making it a perfect and safe gift for 1-year-olds. Your child's safety and your satisfaction are our top priorities. They will love this gift and can play with it for hours, either independently or with parents and friends. It's a simple yet well-built toy that provides endless entertainment. What we like. This toy is made with safety and durability in mind, featuring non-toxic materials and secure construction. It includes a unique top parking lot for easy car storage. If you are looking for a safe and engaging toy that also helps teach your child about tidiness, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Its simple, interactive design allows your child to quickly catch on for hours of play. It seems well made and durable. The little cars zoom down the tracks, which amused my grandson. It's small, so it's easy to store, but it can provide lots of entertainment for my car-loving kids. The little cars go pretty speedy down the ramp, it's fun to watch. Number 4. Tinyland 110 PCS Wooden Train Set. Discover a world of adventure with this expansive 110-piece wooden train set. It's packed with everything your child needs to build and explore. Designed for ages 3 to 8, this set encourages creativity and teamwork. Up to 3 children can collaborate, fostering valuable social skills while they play. Dive into extra fun with the included puzzles and magnetic fishing game. It's a fantastic way to challenge their minds and dexterity. With various scenario building blocks like a hospital, fire station, and school, they can construct their very own town. This sparks imaginative role-playing and develops critical thinking. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. This set seamlessly integrates with other major train brands, allowing for endless expansion of their railway universe. We prioritize safety above all else. Our wooden toys are made with non-toxic materials and have passed rigorous safety tests, ensuring a safe play environment. What we like. This extensive set offers a vast array of track pieces, scenario blocks, and even a fishing game for added fun. It's compatible with major brands, allowing for expansion. If you want a comprehensive train set that encourages imaginative town building and offers multiple play modes, this is the one for you. What people say. The quality is good given that it's wood. No chipping and all the pieces are smooth. The quality is excellent and the set was easy for him to put together. With so many cute pieces, this truly is like a little village, with a hospital, police station, school, etc. There are little wooden people to go with each setting. There is even a puzzle pond with wooden magnetic fish and 2 fishing poles. It's very durable and it had all the pieces. It is super easy to connect the track pieces. Number 3. Play 22 Wooden Train Tracks, 52 PCS plus 2 bonus trains. Introducing the Play 22 Wooden Train Track Set, a fantastic collection designed to spark creativity. This set offers endless possibilities for building and imaginative play. With over 52 pieces, including 2 bonus toy trains, this set provides everything needed for an expansive railway adventure. You'll find a variety of straight and curved tracks, plus special switch tracks to add complexity. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. This set is designed to work perfectly with Thomas Wooden Railway Systems and all other major brands. Expand your existing collection with ease. This isn't just about fun, it's about learning too. These tracks are great for helping children develop an understanding of shapes and how different parts fit together. Crafted from wood, this toy train set meets all ASTM F963 and CPSIA safety requirements. It fits most wooden train tables, making it a safe and exciting addition to playtime. Looking for a memorable gift? This train set is ideal for birthdays and holidays, offering hours of engaging entertainment for toddlers, babies, and kids of all genders. What we like. This set provides a good number of track pieces and includes 2 bonus toy trains to get the fun started immediately. It boasts compatibility with popular brands like Thomas Wooden Railway. If you're looking for an affordable and compatible train track set that's great for expanding an existing collection or starting a new one, this is a solid option. What people say. It easily take more tracks and different trains. This toy is great for creative kids who enjoy both building and playing. The design is really simple, so as long as your kid is around 5+ and or has an imagination and good hand-eye coordination, they should be able to build it themselves quickly. This works with all the other wooden train track systems and is a lot of fun. Number 2. TUMAMA 249 PCS Construction Racetrack Vehicle Toys. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this incredible construction racetrack set. It's designed to spark creativity and provide hours of entertainment for your little ones. With 249 pieces, the possibilities are limitless. Your children can build and rebuild their dream racetracks, fostering their imagination and problem-solving skills. This toy isn't just fun, it's educational too. It introduces basic STEM concepts through engaging play, making learning an enjoyable experience. The unique bendable tracks allow for dynamic and creative track designs. Watch as the vehicles navigate through twists, turns, and loops you create. Ideal for toddlers and young children aged 3 to 6 years old. It's the perfect gift to encourage hands-on play and imaginative adventures. This set comes complete with exciting vehicles to race on the tracks. Let the construction-themed races begin. What we like. This massive set features a huge number of pieces and bendable tracks, allowing for incredibly creative and complex track designs. It's designed to be a STEM toy, encouraging problem-solving and engineering skills. If you have a child who loves building and wants to create elaborate racetracks with endless possibilities, this is the ultimate set. What people say. The track is easy to reconfigure and holds together well. Cars stay on the track and you can make any shape you want. The battery life was great for my son playing with it for a full week before changing out the batteries the first time. Number 1. Car Toys for Kid 4 to 6, 194 PCS Race Car Track. Introducing an exciting race car track set designed for young adventurers. With 194 pieces, you can build and create unique tracks for hours of interactive play. Let their imagination run wild. This set allows children to design various track shapes, cross bridges, and even create different configurations, fostering creativity. As they build and play, children develop essential skills like logical thinking, problem solving, and patience. It's a fun way to learn and grow. This assembled rail car set provides a vast creative space. Children can freely splice tracks, stimulating their imagination and building their own unique worlds. Looking for a great gift? This educational toy positively impacts hands-on ability, creativity, and logical thinking, making it a beneficial choice for birthdays or any occasion. This set includes 2 toy cars to get the fun started. It's a wonderful interaction toy for both boys and girls to enjoy together. What we like. This set offers a large number of flexible track pieces and includes 2 toy cars, one of which is a monster truck with working arms. It encourages imaginative play and the development of practical and thinking abilities. If you're looking for a dynamic racetrack set that allows for creative track building and includes exciting vehicles for imaginative adventures, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The track is easy to assemble and the pieces connect securely. The cars included are fast and durable, withstanding multiple crashes. The lights and sounds add an exciting element to the playtime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.